super fast amazing spike killer. Look here, the signal appeared. Let's open a trade with 5 standard lot on sell. It's crushed 300. Let's go for the deal. Look here guys, immediately here this spike dropped and we are in profit. This is how actually the system works, and this is what the system can do for you. You just need to follow signal, open the trade and make the profit. For more details and also for having a copy of this system, check the description, chat with our team. The guys will give you the license of this system. Go use and make awesome profit. The stop loss is increased to the 4 candle. The 4 candle will be stop loss on M1 time frame. Thanks for watching. If you still have any question, you guys may ask us. We are here to help you, to serve you. Hit the subscribe button, like